What's going on, guys? My name is Jeffrey Rodriguez, and in today's video we're going to be talking about taking partial profits on mobile MetaTrader 4 as well as desktop MetaTrader 4. If you're new to my channel, guys, I do post daily Forex videos, educational as well as analysis videos, so make sure to hit that subscribe button right below this video. It's the little red button and the little post notification bell next to it as well. That way you're notified every single time I upload a video. One of the reasons that you may want to be taking partial profits is to manage risk, and also if you have a position that you're holding for a longer period of time, you may want to scale out portions as the market reaches certain levels. And that's actually exactly how I trade and how I recommend people to trade as well, because you're able to minimize risk and maximize reward. With that being said, guys, let's go ahead and get right into it and show you how to take partial profits. So how you're going to want to take partial profits on desktop is you can do two things. You can hit Control T. So by hitting Control T on Mac or PC, it'll pull up your terminal. And if you don't hit Control T, you can come up here to the top and hit the little terminal button here, and that'll pull it up as well. So by doing that, it shows you the active trades that you have open. And in order for you to take partial profits, what you need to do is you want to double click on the position. So it'll show as a dotted line here. You can double click it. Once you do that, you can come here to type, and then you want to change it to market execution. And where it says volume, this is where you can adjust your lot size. So whatever size you adjust this to, it'll close a portion of it. So it has to be less than the position size that you have open. So for this example, we have 0.05 open. So if we want to close a portion of that, say that's 0.02, then we just enter 0.02. And you can see right here it says close with the order number, sell 0.02 GBP USD by market. And you'll see this size right here go from 0.5 to 0.3 because we're removing 0.2 of the position. So close. Now you can see we have 0.3 open, and we've just closed out partial profits. So you can see we closed out 60 cents in profit. And the reason that you guys are going to want to start using partial profits is because if you take a trade and you're looking to manage it and take portions of it off at each swing low, like for this example here. So if I want to remove a portion of my trade at this swing low, I can close a portion here, close a portion here, close a portion here. And what that allows me to do is pay myself as the market is trading in my direction. And if the market decides to trade in the opposite direction, then I would have already locked in some profit as the market reaches these levels. So this is what professional traders do, and this is what I recommend that any of you guys who currently aren't using this method, you should really start taking partial profits, because it'll help your account stay consistent and keep you profitable. So this is how you would do it on desktop. Now let's go ahead and we'll go over how you would do it on mobile. So now we're looking at the mobile screen, and for any of you guys that use MetaTrader 4 or trade from your phone, this is how you're going to take partial profits as the market's trading in your favor, or if the market is trading opposite of your intended direction, then you can reduce some of your risk by closing a portion of your trade off. So again, for the purpose of this video, you can see I am using a demo account, and this is the same account that we were just looking at on desktop. So in order to close partial profits, you're going to want to click the trade tab right here in the middle, and then you're going to want to swipe left on your screen, and then you'll see these four little buttons. So the one you're going to want to click is the first one. It's the little check mark with the circle. And to close partial profits, you're going to come up here to the top, and once you have your position highlighted, you can close off whatever portion you want. So we have 0.03 open. Now if I want to close 0.01, that'll leave me with a remaining 0.02, and I'll close with profit of 22 cents. So I can close it there. And then you can see if I come to history, I've just closed 0.01 of my position, and I've locked in another 20 cents worth of profit. This is how you guys are going to do it from mobile and also desktop. So again, same concept applies if you're looking on your phone. As the market reaches new swing lows, I'm going to look to take partial profits off of my position, and that will allow me to pay myself and reduce risk on the trade. That's going to be it for today's video, guys. So just a quick little recap. make sure that if you're not already taking partial profits, that you follow this and you actually start implementing it into your trading, because this is what's going to help you keep your account from getting blown. This is how you manage risk, and this is how you manage a trade properly. So if you enjoyed it, guys, make sure to leave a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.
After this track, I might need me some lozenges. I ain't about to go soft. This rapping shit lately been pissing me off. Guess these words are kinda just at the tip of my tongue, but I'm still young and I hope I find the rhymes that'll live through time before that fat lady has sung. Cause when I'm inside this booth, feels like I rule the world. But I'll hop off my horse, hop in your Porsche, give it a